What year did these fly?
C-119, let's look it up. I don't actually know. But they carried a lot of cargo, I know that.
Did they?
Yep. Look at this view.
Oh my god. Guts coming out.
Wow, the view is... Oh, this one's called the Georgia Box.
Yeah, Josh, look at this. The pipes that feed this.
Oh, look at that. Oh, how do we get in this one? Look at these blades.
Huh?
Like, look how much air that those blades are pulling.
Oh.
You know?
Yeah, that's crazy, but...
So, I don't know a lot about the C-119. I think there was one flying left in the world from what I last looked at. But let's do a walk around. Boy, that one's in great shape too. Look at that. Stay right there. That's a really cool shot. That's so cool. How do we get in this?
You can't. You're locked up. Padlocks on.
We got paddle locks on them. That one has a paddle lock too?
Yeah. Keep us trolls out.
Oh no, it can't be. I refuse. It's gonna be good. We're gonna be hauling butt home.
Woohoo!
How does one get in here?
What year did these fly?
C-119, let's look it up. I don't actually know. But they carried a lot of cargo, I know that.
Did they?
Yep. Ah, how do we get in there?
Cool shots of you and your Padre.
Really?
Oh, wow, look at that.
Look at that.
Would you just look at it?
Hey, bud.
Yeah.
I think I'll start heading towards the mall.
Yeah, that sounds good. I'll start walking back.
I'll check on her.
That sounds great.
Look at the Air National Guard logo.
Oh, this was an Air Guard plane.
Huh?
Air National Guard of California. Well, we might have to walk to the other C-119s. What? Yeah? Sure. Okay. Locked?
No, it's open. Can you take a photo of me poking my head out?
Yeah, you can poke your head out of there. And I'll talk about the C-119 because I know diddly squat about the C-119, but yeah. So while Stevie's trying to poke her head out of the C-119, majority of the ones down there were for the California Air Guard. I don't know a lot about these. I have a gut feeling these were in the movie Con Air, but I could be wrong.
Here?
Yeah, right there. These are massive. I can't believe you got access to that one.
Can we take a picture with my snap?
Oh yeah, your little digital. Hold on. Is the other window open?
That one is.
Oh no, okay, there we go. Hold on. Beautiful. That's a really good shot. All right, let's go check out a C-119. Look at this thing. This is a classic.
It's nice in here.
Is that nice in there? Oh.
Over an hour, baby.
Yeah. Okay. Oh wow, this one's filled to the brim.
With shit. I mean, sorry, YouTube. Shiitake mushrooms.
These are giant. Look at the rudder pedals. What does that say?
Air Chulo.
Air Chulo.
No. Air Child.
Is this how you get it? Fairchild.
Fairchild?
Yeah, Fairchild.
Air Chulo.
Yeah,
Maybe
Air
cut that
Chulo. I am so putting that in there. Look at this.
Wait, balance data.
Look at the rudder pedals.
Put your foot on one of those for me. Let's see. Oh, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this. This one's really gutted. Here, you go over here.
Okay.
You get on that side. Look at this view.
Oh my god. Guts coming out.
Wow, the view is... Wow, these are massive. I really don't know much about these.
Really?
No?
Something to look up. When we get home the road.
Might be locked.
Wow, look at this.
What'd you find? Heaters.
Very old. Fuel system data sheet.
Oh, these circuit breakers. Wow.
Look how old. Yeah, C-119.
C-119?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's...
It's very old. It's gonna fall apart. Be careful. I can't hold it. It's gonna fall apart.
Oh, how does it get destroyed?
Oh, it's gonna get destroyed. I don't want it to.
I love
Be
the...
responsible.
I love the ladder system that this has.
I do too. It's really cool.
I just think these... I can't probably get back here, but... The whole doors open up from the rear. Like a clam. A sideways clam.
Speaking to me.
Hey, this might be the lavatory. Maybe. Maybe not, I don't know. Interesting.
Wow, really made the most out of this snap thing.
Yeah, you have. Way to go. Wow, what a cool. All right, well, that is a C-119. Look at this. This is still wild to me. Like, it's so cool. Nah, it's like, I like all these airplanes.
It's so fun.
This is really fun. I like dreamed of doing this as a kid.
It's like an adult jungle gym.
I feel like a kid again, and that is so hard to do at 38.
Wow, you're 38.
Yeah, I know. I'm old.
Yeah, time to get that next model.
Yeah, probably. My expiration is coming up soon. Look at this.